Hello viewers, I am Maithili. Today we are going to see 12 CBSE Maths Continuity and Differentiability exercise 5.3 question number 12. Let's see the question. We need to differentiate with respect to x. Here they have given y is equal to sine inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. X lies between 0 and 1. This is of the same pattern of 11th sum. Here it is 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. We need to substitute a value for x to solve it easily. If it is sine inverse, if we do directly, it becomes differentiation of sine inverse becomes 1 by root of 1 minus x square, which becomes the x value is a huge number. It will be difficult for you to solve. For that reason, we are going to change x to be tan theta. If I substitute let x is equal to tan theta means it will become the formula for cos 2 theta formula. Here this becomes sine inverse 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Already as I told before, this is the formula for cos 2 theta. Now we can't cancel this. If it is sine, we can directly cancel sine inverse and sine. As it is cos 2 theta, we can't directly cancel this. We need to change this to be a sine, only then it will be easy for us to solve. So I am going to change this as sine by, we know we have learnt in smaller classes that this can be written as sine pi minus theta. That is sine 90 minus theta. Sorry. Pi by 2 minus 2 theta. So sine 90 minus theta is nothing but cos theta. In the place of cos theta, I am just substituting it as sine 90 minus theta. In the place of theta, we have 2 theta. So substituting 2 theta. Now this can be cancelled and y can be written as pi by 2 minus 2 theta. We need to substitute the value for theta because theta is not given in the question. If I bring tan to this side, it becomes tan inverse x. So the theta value here in the sum is tan inverse x. Substitute it here. Y is equal to pi by 2 minus 2 tan inverse x. Now I am going to differentiate. Till now we have just solved the sum. We need to differentiate it now. Differentiating is dy by dx for y is equal to, here pi by 2 is 0 because it is a 90 degree, it's a constant term, the constant term value will become 0. So 0 minus 2 tan inverse x's value is 1 by 1 plus x square. So here it becomes dy by dx is equal to minus 2 by 1 plus x square. This is your final answer for the sum. That's all with the sum. Thank you.